Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. So it's pretty simple to buy crypto in Binance since this app is made to buy and sell crypto. So it's pretty simple. But before I show you the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link, which is down in the description. If you use that referral link to sign up into Binance, then you guys can get up to $10 bonus. So if you guys want a free $10 bonus, you can use our referral link to sign up to Binance, and let's get into the video. Now, to buy a crypto in Binance, it's pretty simple. Once you open Binance app and sign in into your account, it's going to show you this interface. Now over here to buy and sell Bitcoin, you just want to go on where it says trades at the bottom. Go to trades. So you come to this interface. Once you come to this interface, to choose the coin which you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. I can click on this button over here with this 2 arrow button, which is pointing in the opposite direction. I can click on it. And over here, I can type the name of the coin which I want to buy. So I want to buy Bitcoin. So I'm going to write BTC, which is the short form of Bitcoin. And I can click on the first one, BTC USDT. Now I'm over here. Now I can enter the amount of Bitcoin I want. So let's say I want one Bitcoin. And then as you guys can see, my total amount is going to be $39,989. And after I click on that, I can just click on buy BTC and I would have purchased a Bitcoin. So yeah, that's basically how you buy, crypto on Binance. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then you guys can hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And I will see you guys in my next video, and use our referral link to sign up to Binance to get a $10 bonus. See you guys. Bye-bye.